Concerned civilians of Chotiana Ramterang village appeals to speed up the construction of Phonglangsu LP School. Taxation Department of KAL English Autonomous Council conducted scrutiny of trading license at Dilai and HDP. Car bump onto an auto at National Highway 39 Balipathar on Wednesday. Good morning, you're watching KAL English Live English Prime Time. The children as well as the parents and guardians of Chotiana Ramterang village and its adjoining villages under Nilib MSC constituency are in great distress as they do not have a school building to attain their education. Phonglangsu LP School was allocated for the region, but the construction of the school building was suspended since the last 5 months. Looking at the visual of this school, what are your opinions on this? What is the visual of Phonglangsu LP School, which had initiated the construction since many years ago, but the procrastination of the construction of school building by the contractors had turned the school into a deserted building. It was informed that Phonglangsu LP School was constructed at Chotiana Ramterang village under the MSDP scheme 2017. The reason behind the procrastination for the construction of the school building, keeping it incomplete till date, is not known to anyone till date. Himanta Saikya, headmaster of Phonglangsu LP School, informed that additional school building under Rural Infrastructure Development Fund (RIDF) scheme with an estimated cost of Rs 5.5 lakhs was also constructed adjacent to the building constructed under MSDP scheme 2017 with the subcontractor Dilip Crow. Second installment of the fund was furnished recently for the construction of the school building under RIDF scheme. Temporary classes had been provided at Elephant Corridor Community Hall, and total number of students enrolled, including nursery, is 29.
তাৰপাছতে গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে MSDP পৰা দিছিলে স্কুল বিল্ডিংটো, সেইটোতো ইনকমপ্লিট হৈ গ'ল, সেইটো আজিলৈকে কমপ্লিট হোৱা নাই। পাছত দিছ ইয়েৰ এবাৰ আমি RIDFৰ পৰা পাইছোঁ এটা ACR, সেইটো কনষ্ট্ৰাকশ্যন চলি আছে। নতুন বনোৱাটো এইটো লাষ্ট আফটাৰ এপ্ৰিল।
It was reported that earlier, when the school was located at Inghetlangso, Koilamati, the classes were regular for the children. But right after the occupation of Inghetlangso area for Wildlife Sanctuary, the village had to relocate 2 kilometers away from Inghetlangso, and the school building was also dismantled. Now, 8 years had been completed since the relocation of village, yet no any proper classes had been provided to the children due to unavailability of school building. One of the villagers, while speaking to us, informed that the villagers are solely dependent on government school as they could not afford to send their children in private schools. The children has a zeal to study and achieve greater heights through education, but that zeal seems to be diminishing due to unavailability of school building and irregularity of class. Therefore, on behalf of all the concerned citizens of Chotiana Ramterang village, appeals the higher authority to speed up the complete construction of Phonglangsu LP School at Chotiana Ramterang village.
Aning hang also maratu sitame ki aning hang wang wedelu mane school hem tanang patang pipe la penke non club hala so au phisa hem a club hem sila pusi than bom lo.
Samsoning test report from Koilamati for KAL English Live. On 11th of October, Taxation Department of KAL English Autonomous Council conducted scrutiny of trading license from all the vendors and shop owners of Dilai and HDP market area. The team was led by inspectors of taxes and assistant inspector of taxes. According to Inspector of Taxes, it was reported that Taxation Department of KAL English Autonomous Council had to take such measures as the revenue generated from the taxes of trade and commerce had declined within the last 2 years. Hence, they are rigorously monitoring the system since the month of September 2022. It was informed that during the scrutiny of trading license process, most of the vendors and shopkeepers and owners of the shops had failed to produce their trading license, while some traders produced the expired license. Taxation Department directed all the traders who were unable to produce their trading license to apply as early as possible, and those with the expired trading license were asked to update within a given stipulated time. Bijoy Rongpi's report from Dilai for KAL English. On 12th of October, around 3 p.m. early evening, a car bumped onto an auto from behind, both heading towards the same direction at National Highway 39, Balipathar. 2 people had sustained severe injuries. As per the report, an auto bearing registration number AS09C6028 and an Alto car bearing registration number AS05D6469 were heading towards Balipathar market in the same direction from the Laujan. It was then an auto took an instant turn, which consequently resulted in losing control of the car and bumped onto the auto from behind. Both the drivers were reportedly informed to have sustained severe injuries. Pedestrians and local people who witnessed the incident rushed to the spot and sent both the drivers of the vehicle to Balipathar MPHC for their medication. No loss of life had been reported so far. It was reported that the local residents of the region informed the police department about the incident, and as per the information received, police department arrived at the spot and took over the case. Anantarang's report from Bokajan for KAL English. Thank you for watching KAL English. Have a great day.